got the tripping like I don't got that designer pussy. All I'm trying to see is your credit card. Swipe it off of me, give me what I want.
Starting off with the products I'll be using from right to left are going to be my shampoos and conditioner in the order that I use them. I decided to do a deep conditioning treatment on my hair since my hair is freshly out of braids. So this is the hooded dryer that I'll be using. You can actually purchase this on Amazon as well. I'll have it linked down below in the description. I decided to let this sit on for about 20 minutes and I have my dryer on medium heat. I'm not gonna even hold you guys, like for real, this dryer is small but it gets hot super quick. So I just prefer to keep it on medium heat, and right now I'm just scrolling through some emails, catching up on Instagram and things of that sort while I have it sitting on. Now you know the key to a good silk press is the heat protectant, leave-in conditioner, and a good serum. So these are the three that I'm using, and as you can see, this Paul Mitchell Super Skinny is damn near out. So that shows you how much I use it. All products have been applied and now it's time to twist up and blow dry. Now that we're all done with the blow drying, let's go ahead and move into flat ironing. So I keep my sections no bigger than an inch, and my flat iron always stays in between 390 and 400 degrees. Right now I have it set to 395. So this is how the nape area is looking, and here is the entire silk press complete before adding the better length clip-ins. This is how the clip-ins came packaged. I'll be wearing their light Yaki texture, and this is going to be in 20 inches. One of the things I really loved off rip is how seamless the clip-ins looked and how light they felt. I ran my fingers through a few times, as I always do with new hair, just to check to see if there's any snags or tangles. And as you can see, my fingers were able to glide straight through with no issues, which that's always a 10 for me. And these came in a set of 10, by the way. All of this is very self-explanatory, so I'm not going to do too much explaining with it. I'm basically just using the end of my rat tail comb, parting my hair out, and I'm very good with eyeballing the length of the weft and matching it with me parting my hair. I can just kind of feel. So I'm just taking the clips, placing them in. And normally I would use hairspray at the roots, especially when the hair is this silky, but I didn't put any hairspray on there. And they actually stayed, they didn't move. I didn't have any issues with them moving or anything like that, so that's good. So that was less work for me. So I kept my flat iron at the same temperature that I had it on when straightening in my own hair, which is on 395. Keep in mind too, guys, that this is a Yaki texture, so it's not going to come out bone straight. If you want bone straight hair, then I suggest that you get silky straight clip-ins, but I really like these because I feel like they were able to blend in with my hair really good. And this is how they look at the bottom on the ends. And now I am just adding the remainder of those clip-ins in. I only had one piece left once I got done with everything. And again, they came in a pack of 10. I'm sorry, a set of 10. So I only had one clip-in left.
Something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you.
Now I'm going to show you guys how I do the top. I cut out a lot of parts because it was unnecessary, but this is how I am doing the top and angling everything. I'd highly recommend these clip-ins. I love these clip-ins so much. I don't think I will ever go back to using the regular clip-ins. These just are so seamless. I didn't even feel like I had anything in my hair, to be honest with you. Most of the times when you're wearing clip-ins and you're touching your head, you can clearly feel that it's a clip there, but with these I didn't feel anything. So I'd highly recommend that you guys try this. Now I am just going through at the ends again and just making sure that they're as straight as I want them, which is to my liking. This is the edge control that I'll be using, which is the Style Factor Edge Booster. I got it in green. You can choose any color that you want. They all do the same thing. They just have different scents. But this is the final results of the Better Length clip-ins, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next upload.